Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by powering and mounting so readings will be reliable. First, connect a stable 1224V source and install a 3-5A fuse. This prevents spikes. Next, mount the transducer at mid-hull, roughly 1/3 back from the bow, away from prop wash and secure fittings. Once done, turn on the Helix 12 and walk through the initial prompts. Choose language, depth units, and set a small depth offset to match the transducer height. This makes sonar depth accurate right away. You now configure sonar and mapping so you can find fish and navigate. Start by picking sonar mode, down, dual beam, or chirp, based on water depth and target size. Higher frequency yields detail in shallow water. Then adjust sensitivity. Engage auto, watch the screen for noise, and reduce sensitivity by about 10% if clutter appears. For mapping, load your charts or create a quick sonar chart live run, set a GPS waypoint, and enable track recording so you can revisit productive areas later. Finish by locking onto targets and safeguarding your data. Use zoom and split screen to isolate structure versus bait. When you see a solid mark a waypoint immediately so you won't lose it. Save sonar logs, screenshots, and any custom page layouts. Export routes and logs via the SD card after your trip. If the unit returns no or fuzzy sonar, check transducer angle and mounting, verify the cable and connector seating, and move away from trolling motor interference. Those fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.